Hello. My name is Rajan, and I want to give a huge shout out to everyone watching this video celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday. We know that you can't be here at the DCM to celebrate with us, so we want to bring a little piece of the DCM to you. Today, we're going to be learning about slime and non-Newtonian fluids. So without further ado, let's see what supplies we need. Supplies. What supplies will we need to make our slime? So I'll tell you. First, we're gonna need a bowl. This bowl is going to be where we mix all of our ingredients. Next, we're gonna need something to mix our ingredients with. So you can use a popsicle stick. Now, if you don't have a popsicle stick, you can use a plastic spoon or a plastic knife. They all work the same. Next, we're gonna need some glue. So we only need half a cup of glue. We're gonna use white glue for this, but you're more than welcome to use clear glue. Your slimy results will turn out the same. Next, what we're going to need is a little bit of baking soda and saline solution. So the baking soda, or bicarbonate of soda, actually combines with the saline solution, which actually has boric acid and sodium borate. So these three items combine together to change the viscosity or the texture of your glue and water solution. So once this happens, your slime becomes a non-Newtonian fluid, which means it's not a liquid, it's not a solid, it's just somewhere in between. Next, what we're going to need is a little bit of watercolor and glitter. So we're going to use orange and green to make Halloween slime. And next, what we're going to need, or finally I should say, is a sandwich bag. So this sandwich bag, you want to put your slime into the bag after you're done so it doesn't get all over your house. What steps do we take to make our slime? I'll show you.
All right, so steps. First, we'll mix 1/2 cup of glue and 1/2 cup of water. All right, so now that we added our ingredients, we have to stir our ingredients. All right. You want to stir it up really nicely. Our next step after we are done is we are going to add all of our add-ins. So our add-ins today are going to be watercolor and a little bit of glitter. All right, so once you've added your mix-ins, you're gonna have to mix again. Alright, and once you feel that you've mixed enough, you see enough glitter in every ounce of your concoction, we want to mix in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So this is our baking soda here. Just take 1/2 teaspoon and put it in. All done with the baking soda. So, baking soda's in, we have to mix it a little bit more. And our next step is actually going to be to put 1 tablespoon of saline solution into our bowl. So if your slime comes out a little more stickier than you wanted to at the end of this, you want to make sure you use a little bit extra saline solution. The saline solution will stop it from being sticky and sticking to your hands. All right, so once you add the saline solution, go ahead and mix up your bowl, and you'll start to notice that your slime has started to form. All right, so mix it up, mix it really good, and once you finally finish mixing, your slime will look a little bit like this. So you see here, it's really stiff, and when you pick it up, it all comes out of your bowl. And the best thing is, it's not sticky at all. And there you go, you have your own slime. Happy birthday, and I hope you have fun. Thanks for tuning in.